UFI Club will be organizing a kart race, the first in India, on the 30th of this month. The aim and objectives of organizing this event is because we've seen this kart, the indigenous built karts are dying art form. We want to revive this art form. We want kids to have fun. We want them to highlight the importance of playing outdoor. So one of the initiatives that we've taken as a club is to promote this event. We want to organize this year, and we want to continue it every year. This is not a one-time affair that we're organizing. We want to make it every year. Yeah, thank you. Invite corporates and other offices besides other businesses to also send in their participants into this so that they can get mileage out of this. I hope that everybody will join in. A few corporates have actually called and informed that they would like to send in their participation. The Shillong Press Club has sent in 3 of the teams, and I hope other teams or the corporates will also send in. Will be intimated on this, and the health department will also be part. Prize money for kart race is 50,000. The total prize money for cycling is also 50,000 rupees. The entry fee is 500 rupees for cycling and 500 rupees for kart race. There's no age limit, the upper age limit especially, so the lower age limit is 14 years and above, but those below 18 will have to get the consent of their parents, so you'll have to bring the forms that your parents are okay with them participating in the event. On the technical part, we are supported by the Meghalaya Cycling Association. We have Vice President Banjop here, who has represented the state at the various nationals and other events in the region. For this particular event, it is called MTB-XCO. It's one of the most challenging race in the country and in the world right now. So we have a downhill section, we have off-road section, we have jumps, we have climbs, and we have all sorts of difficulties. And for this, we have roped in the Meghalaya Cycling Association. Some of the members have come and checked the track, and it is rated as one of the best in India right now. Participants, we have invited participants. This is an open all India competition. We will be sending our invitation to our players from other states as well. So we expect that best athletes from other states will be participating in this event.